Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 1865 Liatris Drive in Pickering. So we've got a freehold townhouse. It's about 1,350 square feet, 575 in the basement. Why don't you guys go in, take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, now that you've seen the home, I'd love to hear what you guys have to say about it. Drop me some comments, send me a message. Better yet, why don't you guys call me and come check out the house yourself. Again, my name's Hussein Kabani. I am your favorite broker, and remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.